It's the changing economy of major retail, brought to you by Ecotton. Everywhere you turn, it seems there's accelerating eco-activism towards the fashion industry. And although the recent economic downturn and a midterm election muted consumer environmental sentiment, the trend now again supports growing eco-awareness. The Walmart Sustainability Pledge and ESG commitments mirrors many of the same goals and deliverables we have here at Ecotton.
As part of our commitment to addressing climate change, we've been working hard to reduce emissions from our operations for over a decade. While we've made strong progress, the urgency around climate change has prompted us to set an even more ambitious path. That's why Walmart is targeting zero emissions across our global operations by 2040. This is how we plan to get there. First, energy efficiency. We've already transitioned nearly all of our international stores, clubs, DCs, and parking lots to LED technology, and we'll continue to find new ways to use less energy. Second, renewable energy. We aim to harvest enough wind, solar, and other energy sources to power our facilities with 100% renewable energy by 2035. Third, equipment. We'll transition to cooling equipment that uses low-impact refrigerants and convert our heating systems to electric, allowing them to run on renewable sources. Finally, transportation. We plan to zero out the emissions of all of our vehicles, including long-haul trucks. We'll do this by transitioning to electric and hydrogen-fueled vehicles, scaling charging stations at all of our facilities, and more. Zero emissions by 2040. Every day counts. This is our path forward, guided by what is good for our business, our people, and our planet.
But urgent changes are becoming necessary to better coordinate the claims being made relative to sustainability. The recent second greenwashing class action brought against H&M signals a possible trend that eco-activists are becoming impatient for results and using litigation as an escalation tool. And we all know what greenwashing is. As an insinuation, its goal is to assert that the industry as a whole is deficient in its ability to deliver lasting and substantial change to fashion sustainability. So now, proving sustainability claims are as important as the initiative itself. Which makes isotope DNA testing and similar chemical analysis to verify the farm-to-factory tracking critical to delivering both consumer eco-expectations, but as well government-mandated compliance, possibly as well the documentation to publish to avoid litigation. This testing and the related documentation are embedded in the Ecotton reclaimed fiber manufacturing methodology. The growth of consumption of textile fiber is accelerating, which runs contrary to virtually all sustainability strategies. And unfortunately, cotton, along with other naturally occurring fibers, are becoming a smaller part of the total as use of synthetics escalates. Our total consumption of textile fiber per capita is growing as well, and at an alarming rate, with no end in sight. Of the over 100 million tons of fiber each year consumed, over 75% is synthetic and, unfortunately, unsustainable. And of the 25% consumption of natural substrates, less than 1% comes from reclaimed fibers. So where does that leave us? Well, there is an answer, and it's called Ecotton. It's a single name that to a global consumer can define sustainable cotton in fashion. And what does it mean to make the Ecotton switch? The switch is where growers, textile manufacturers, cut and sew and fashion designers, retailers and consumers all work together to create one holistic solution that equals sustainable cotton. The Ecotton process is advanced textile engineering, where cotton waste is collected from multiple industry sources and then classified and sorted into 17 different fiber types. The fibers are then opened using the patented Ecotton system, where they're then carded, slivered, and worked into premium length fibers, and then made into virgin, clean cotton yarn, which ultimately becomes brand new cotton products like you expect every day in the marketplace. It's patented global textile technology that works, and that's what makes the Ecotton process possible. And the Ecotton results couldn't be any more exciting. It means less landfall usage, less chemical treatments, saves billions of gallons of water every day, and gives you the same virgin cotton product that consumers expect every day when shopping for their clothing and other cotton products. And all these benefits are at the same or lower cost of traditional, non-sustainable virgin cotton fabric. And the bottom line is this: a premium cotton product purchased at a Walmart store or Sam's Club could be made from 100% reclaimed pre-consumer cotton waste fiber with the exact same feel, color performance, wear, and washability you would expect from product made from virgin cotton fiber. This process can also be described as pre-cycled. It's post-industrial, pre-consumer waste reclamation, which results in far greater waste recovery efficiency and substantially improved net carbon reduction. As Good Housekeeping did in the 50s, NutraSweet did for diet soda in the 70s, Intel Inside did for PCs in the 80s and 90s, and like Gore-Tex does for outdoor sportswear today, Ecotton could also become a useful, demonstrable, and provable way to make a sustainability commitment to the Walmart customer. And just think about how many places Ecotton can improve the lives of Walmart customers. In the bedroom, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, at the office, and during our everyday lives. The possibilities are endless on achieving Walmart's sustainability goals. And imagine all the apparel that could be fully sustainable and the ingredient branding opportunities for babies, the boys and girls, Walmart's future e-community. And there's more good news on the horizon. Our development of a compostable synthetic fiber as a standalone textile-grade yarn or as an additive to cotton to enhance garment performance. The future is very bright for the fast fashion industry and Walmart. We thank you for your time and look forward to your feedback and questions.